Hi, I'm Ray Salisbury, a photography tutor from Nelson, New Zealand. Today we're going to look at some composition basics, like where do you put your subject within the camera frame? G'day, it's Ray Salisbury here. I'm on Whauriki Beach and I'm going to teach you another point about composition. And clearly, these iconic archway islands are the most obvious focal point. So let's go out there and shoot them and work out the best way to put them in our composition. Okay, let's go. The first mistake many people make is to photograph two separate objects, which sort of cancel each other out. Let's fix this. Right, now I've moved into a position where the two islands appear to be touching, so your eyes are drawn to only one spot. It's called the rule of proximity. You put all similar objects in the same place. Let's look briefly at camera settings. I've set the mode dial to aperture priority and I'm focusing on the islands. The next mistake many folks make is to place their subject bang in the middle. That's a bit too predictable for me, too balanced. So let's use the rule of thirds. Most cameras have a 3x3 grid. You put the main focal point on one of these four intersections. For a seascape like this, the horizon is visible. So we have to decide what is the most interesting, the sky or the sea. If the ocean is most interesting, we can fill up the lower 2/3 of the frame with the sea. A third mistake is to leave the horizon wonky. That's lazy. It's quite easy to fix this on location. There are three methods for this. First, insert a bubble level onto the hot shoe of your camera. Second, recent model cameras have an electronic level inbuilt. Thirdly, if you don't have these, try to align the horizon with the 3x3 grid on your LCD display. So that's it. Simple, really. But getting your composition right is one thing. Getting the best camera settings is another. What really makes a landscape photo shine is mood. The difference between mediocre and magic. So that's why I'm going to come back here tomorrow and have another crack at this. It's cold, it's wet, it's windy. I love it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, why not subscribe to my channel? And don't forget to download the free PDF guide on this topic. Down here it's called Rule of Thirds Explained. Well, it's time to get out of here.